Hey everybody, it's mid-April and it's time for these to come out. Do you know what they are? These are collard plants, and there's only so many collards I can eat. I've let them go to flower, but I need to get my tomatoes in the garden. So I'm gonna remove these and feed them to the goats. Look at the size of that collard plant. The greatest compliment I ever had on my collards was from a woman from Mississippi who said they were the best she'd ever had, and that collards were her favorite green. The best compliment I've ever had from a non-human is from these goats. Watch how happy they're gonna be. All right, radishes. Who wants radishes? What about arugula? Arugula in flowers. All right, more arugula. More radishes. Collards. Huge, wonderful collards. More collards. Collards for everybody. And now I get to spend the rest of the afternoon rototilling the garden and planting my tomatoes and peppers, while these happy ruminants get to eat their heart's content out, the last of the winter collards.